Everybody is looking for the perfect ETF, but how do you actually find it? Stick around to find out. Hey, future investors! Today, we're diving into evaluating ETFs like a pro. First up, the expense ratio. Think of it as the fee you pay for the ETF's maintenance. Lower fees mean more money in your pocket over time. Next, tracking error. This tells you how closely an ETF follows its benchmark index. The smaller the error, the better. Now let's talk performance comparison. Always measure an ETF against its relevant benchmarks to see if it's a winner or underperformer. And don't forget to look under the hood. Analyzing the ETF's holdings gives you insight into sector allocation, geographic exposure, and top assets. Finally, arm yourself with the best tools and resources like Morningstar and ETF.com to make informed decisions. Ready to invest smart? Hit subscribe and let's continue this financial journey together.